How to edit or delete a MX record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Domain section, click on the Zone Editor icon. Under Actions, click on the Manage button for the respective domain. This page contains all the zone records for your respective domain. In the Filter section, click on MX to filter the MX records. Under Actions, click on the Edit button for the record you want to edit. Edit the record and click on the Save Record button. For example, here we have changed the priority from 0 to 10. That's it, the MX record has been updated. To delete an MX record, click on the Delete button under Action. Click on the Continue button. That's it, you have successfully edited or deleted a MX record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.